it, guys. We are Smith Family Farms, finally. Hi, Lulu. Come on, Mama.
Come on, pretty girl. Yeah, go get Mama. Good job.
Come here, Lulu. Yay! Good job, Mama. Oh my gosh, look at these ones. Oh my gosh, look at these ones. Beautiful. They're sleeping. What do you guys think?
Good.
Lulu!
Look at the piggies. Look at the pigs.
You see the piggies, Lulu? Oink, oink, oink. Hi, little buddy. Quack, quack, quack. That's not a duck, Mama. Yeah, don't poke him, baby.
Say hi to the rooster. Say bye. Oh. Beso. Ba. Mwah. Look at the rooster, Mia.
We'll call it a little Oreo bunny because it's black and white.
Daddy, come over here. Come look at this little bunny.
What are we calling this bunny, Brayden?
Oreo.
Cow say. Moo. Come here, Mama. Let's look at the cow.
What bird, man?
The ball.
Bull?
The ball.
What are we playing with, guys?
Dirt, Mia.
Your favorite?
No.
No.
Toy.
I need to go pee.
What are we going in, Brayden?
What's the end one?
We'll have to find it. We gotta go in the first one right here. That's how you enter. Go. No, this one. Come on, Lulu. That's how you enter. Go. No, this one. Come on, Lulu. Corn maze. Don't go too far, Brayden. Wait for us.
Over here. Get that.
She doesn't. Follow Bubba. Go get Bubba.
Here we go. Oh, wow.
Okay, don't touch.
Come on, Chiquita.
Go, Lulu. Go, Mama. It's okay.
Left or right? Over here.
Over here.
There you are.
Here we are.
Luna. That way?
Are
Okay.
you sure? I think it's this way. Go, bud. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Go. Keep going. I don't know. We'll find out, right? Want to go this way? Okay, I want to go this way. All right? Then go right here. You can't go left. Right, this way.
This way?
That's right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now where? This way.
And you lead.
Brayden, what did we do? We found it. We got it. Brayden, what are we gonna do? Here we go. Go on up, go on up. Want your ticket, bub?
Go. Yeah.
And give the lady your ticket, okay? Watch your step. There you go. Good job, bud. You like it, puppy? You're so cute. You like it, Lulu?